Guys, we are staying at the Luxor tonight in Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas, Nevada. It looks kind of interesting on the outside. Let's see how it is on the inside. Okay guys, this is the Luxor Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. And it's massive. Okay, so this is the lobby area. Gonna check in right over there. Casino's right through the middle. And more elevators and rooms that way. Upstairs is where you get to the shopping food court area. And let's go over this way. There's so much to see. This place is massive, but they do have workers around, especially near the casino area, that can tell you where everything is if you get lost, because it is a very real possibility. Everything here is like connected by these long hallways. You can actually get to Mandalay Bay and a few of the other hotels walking through these hallways, and you actually have to go outside on the strip. So that's interesting. So the pool is closed right now, but it's massive. You can see there's one way back in the back, then there's half of this one. It actually goes to the other side as well of this walkway over here. There's big waterfalls coming out and stuff. I wish we could go down and show you more, but maybe another time. Here is a view of the parking garage at the Luxor. One of the parking garages. It's massive, not connected to the hotel. You have to use your room key to get in and out. Here is the back entrance to the casino area. Downstairs is the casino, upstairs is the food court and the hall over to Mandalay Bay. Here is a horse bar. And the casino is pretty much the same as every other casino we've ever been to. But, yeah. There's the buffet over there. This place is huge, guys. I'm headed over to the silver elevators right now. I just wanted to talk a little bit about what I see. It is a hotel casino, so I understand that, but it is not very well kept up. I can see a hole in the wall there. It's not one of the worst hotels I've stayed in. It's close though. And it was expensive, and the staff was not helpful to us at all as far as customer service goes. We booked it at a certain price early for a food show, and the price dropped the night before to half what we paid for it. They just didn't care, which I suppose is understandable. We booked it when we booked it, but the lesson to learn here is to book your room the night before, I guess. Anyway, so yeah, it's dingy and dark and paint's peeling, holes in the walls. But I haven't seen any cockroaches yet. That's a plus. Hey guys, this is room 2305. You'll have to excuse our mess. We got in late last night, so we went straight to bed, but here is the main room. It is 2 queens. It's got a nice big window. There's a little luggage stand, a good place to work, some drawers, and a closet. There is that. And then got a couple of chairs over here. And bedside table with some plugs. Let's check out the bathroom. Got a good vanity here, makeup mirror, bathtub, and a shower. No conditioner in the shower. It is kind of not well kept up, a little dirty. The whole room is kind of dirty and not well kept. It's not one of my favorite hotels we've been in. It's one of the more ghetto ones. The walls are paper thin. You can hear people sneeze next door. But it is located right on the Strip at the Luxor, so. So this is the spa and fitness center. I'm gonna go and see if they will let me get in. The fitness center is actually awesome in the spa. So here we go. Some areas over here for yoga. Got lots of bikes and over there treadmills. Looking out onto the pool area. Over here we got water and warm towels and some actual equipment, so that's good. Over here we got some stair steppers and free weights and lots more equipment, so that's great. Very cool. And that is the end of the fitness center. Let's walk back. Sorry. Over here, there's the front of it. So yeah, lots of good equipment here inside the spa, so there's a nice smell too. That's closed.